Hey, let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious chicken fajita quesadilla. This right here was amazing. Let's get into the recipe. So you are going to begin with about 2 pounds of some boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You can definitely use chicken breast if you prefer. What I'm doing is just slicing off any excess fat, and then I am slicing them into some bite-sized pieces. Go ahead and continue this process until you have them all sliced up, ready to go. And once they are, you are then going to transfer them into a mixing bowl so we can get them seasoned up nice and proper. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil on our chicken just like so, and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And on the screen I would have listed exactly what you need to season up your chicken, okay? And it will be listed in the description box as well. So be very generous, never stingy, and make sure your chicken is well coated up. So you could definitely do this whole recipe indoors in a pan, but this black stone right here makes life so much easier because you could get everything going all at once. So to begin, I drizzle a little bit of oil on it, and we are dropping in our bell peppers as well as some onion. We're gonna let that saute just for a couple minutes. Then we're gonna toss in our well seasoned up chicken. Now our chicken, we want to get a nice beautiful sear on that chicken. We're gonna let it go for about 3.5 minutes per side. And this Blackstone right here, I'm telling you, if you don't have one already, this is not sponsored. I'm just putting you on right now. This makes dinner time, breakfast time, any meal of the day so much easier. I'm so serious because it's just so quick. You got everything on here at once, especially breakfast. I got my eggs, bacon, potatoes, everything going at once. Pancakes too. Come on now. Everything at once, and just like that you're done, I'm telling you. But anyways, our chicken is done. I just pushed it over to the side. I'm cleaning up, my griddle a little bit, and we're gonna begin to build that quesadilla. I'm gonna drop in a little bit more oil, and then we're gonna toss in our flour tortillas. These are large flour tortillas. We're gonna toss in a generous amount of cheese. Of course, we then gonna get our chicken on top, as well as the bell pepper and the onion. You're gonna fold this up. You're gonna get a beautiful sear on both sides of this quesadilla right here, and just like that, you're done. How easy is this right here? This recipe makes for about, let's say, 4 quesadillas. And remember, you're gonna slice these up so you could feed, I feel like, a family of 6 with this right here. This recipe goes a long way, inexpensive, delicious, absolutely amazing. So this is the end result right here. Ooey gooey, cheesy, well seasoned up, oh so flavorful chicken fajita quesadilla, baby. You definitely got to give this a go. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give me a like, subscribe if you're new, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Comment down below, let me know what you think, okay? And I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.